I'm Daniele Serlini. I work as a project manager in IVAR for the introduction of DDMRP methodology and the R+ system. And now I'm fully engaged in this project. Obviously, my first responsibility is to keep the service level and maintain a smooth transition from the previous system to the new one, engaging the people in the planning department for this project. Before DDRMP and R+, we adopted the formal planning. So we had forecast, we had an MRP that provided to us suggestion, and but the main constraint that we experienced with the old system is the information is not sure that provide to us. So we need to change in order to better planning the production. Ivan introduced DDMRP to us, and I understand soon that this was a huge change in the planning instrument. First of all, I like the capability to dynamically change the behavior of the system, changing the condition that we see in front of us. The first challenge has been a technical challenge. So we had to speak our ERP system to R+, but this problem is solved in a quite small time. The second problem that we are faced is the change in the mindset of the planner, because if you have planners that are used to think in some way for years and years, explain that there is another way to perform that work, it's not easy, but with training and patience, we are obtaining this result. First of all, the increase of the service level, and second, the reduction of the inventory. The next step that we want to take is the introduction of S&OP, DDs and S&OP, also with the APM module that will be an important instrument for this, for the obtainment of this objective. The first feedback has been that the information is immediately available, and the comprehension of the urgency is very quick. So differently from our old system, the focus on the real problem is very fast to focus on.